and we shall let the procedure begin. Look at those eyeballs. Eyeballs. Whoa. So I could stop being silly real quick. I noticed something weird. The capacitors are different, and there's this weird lettering. If I can just flip it upside down so you guys could read it. I can't, but it's weird. Weird. So now I got it out. You can finally listen how rough it is. I can put the mic to it. It's terrible sounding. So I'm going to replace it. Yeah, that is correct. If it could just... I don't know if you guys can see the crack in it, the split. I can. Why won't it focus? Oh well. But you see how yellow it is? That's gross. Huh. Alright, so I just replaced it. That gear. I don't know if it's good though. It's actually a little bit more noisy. It's a lot more durable though. I can tell you that much.